this is Yaroslav.
And this is Ron. And
Is that how we're doing?
yeah. And this is our Halloween special.
You know, this mask's killing me right now.
You look.
It's
You're
my
a very good
eyelashes.
looker.
My eyelashes are like boinging on the.
Sorry, I forgot my Ron.
You're gonna go blind.
That's alright. No, totally fine. So what do you got for us today, Ron?
Well, it is our Halloween special,
Yeah.
but we were gonna talk.
Did you notice I specifically
Oh no!
for this show?
Oh wow! And you put.
I love it. It's great. It's terrific. Like the usability on the whole thing just like is amazing right away. It doesn't.
Oh, once you go Mac, you don't go back, right?
You don't go back. So this is my new computer right now. And sorry I interrupted you.
No. And you put stickers on it for my
I
honor.
do have stickers on, right? I'm wearing my casual wear. I see that you're wearing Yaroslav wear.
Yeah. So I don't have an exciting topic for you this week, though.
Really? But you're Yaroslav today. You gotta
Okay.
have all the exciting...
It's about the project burn down chart.
Okay. That's very...
Am I wearing this the whole thing? Oh God. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I haven't seen it. Am I supposed to not look? I can't see anyways. I got two tiny little. Ta-da! Oh my God. All right, I'm turning to look. Can you see anything?
It's okay. Oh, okay. Apparently I already have glasses on.
Oh, that's great.
There's your glasses.
Oh no. Do you see what I... Oh, seriously? Oh no. All right. Project burn down chart. Can we seriously talk about project management?
Absolutely.
Masks?
I'm very excited to talk about project management. Go on, Yaroslav.
Okay. Project burn down charts. What the project burn down chart does is it graphically shows you how much work is left versus time. And so on the vertical axis, you'll have the outstanding work, and on the horizontal axis, you'll have time.
Right.
And then I can't take it seriously. Are you having a beer?
I'm being Ron, so I'm having a beer. Yeah.
Seriously. Oh man, I am. Oh jeez, being you is hard.
I know. It's the same thing here. I can't concentrate. Sorry, you were saying the project.
So it's an agile thing where we do it, and it's the.
I'm on an agile project right now, so.
Okay.
But I'm not really I'm not in a project management capacity, so I'm not really doing burn down charts. But yeah.
Okay. So on the burn down chart, we got the outstanding tasks on the vertical axis. Horizontal axis is time, and what you want to show is the graph going down to zero, and presumably at the date you're going to finish.
Right.
And what I then do is I take all the outstanding tasks in the task list, are user stories.
Yeah.
So I'll take the user stories, which are chunks of work that the development team do.
Right.
And for each of those user stories, I'll size them.
Right.
So instead of giving an exact time,
Right.
because seriously,
Keep going.
Apple, not only is it a computer, it's delicious.
Sorry.
You got food and a drink. Oh, I'm dying over
wrong
here.
today.
Oh, jeez. All right. So the thing that I like about it is there seems to have been some consensus that nobody can estimate time right. But what we can do as humans is we're very good at saying this is bigger than that, or this is smaller than that. So I take all my tasks and I size them. Is that the chunk that's missing from the apple? Oh no.
Ron, I don't understand why you're so distracted today.
All right.
Sorry, Yaroslav.
Yaroslav, yeah, you got it.
You can't keep yourself collected at all.
Then what we do is we size everything, and we size it relative. This task is a small bit of dev work. This task is medium. This task is large. This task is extra large. And basically for me, and then you put a point system on that.
Right.
So small is, let's say, 1, medium is 3. It doesn't have to correlate to days, but let's say it did. But it doesn't have to. It's just a sizing. So small, medium, large. Then you're going to go through doing your work for a week or two. And every week, everybody says what they're going to do that week.
Right.
And by the end of week 2 or week 3, you kind of know roughly how many tasks everybody can handle in a week.
Right.
And then based on that, you know next week how much you can handle. And then so you estimate what week or which week or 2-week period, which scrum period it's going to take place in. Stickers. Oh my God, you really are, Ron. It's an Asana sticker. I love Asana.
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you.
No. So then we group it into those sprints, a week sprint, a 2-week sprint, whatever your sprint is. You know roughly, because you've sized everything relative to the other tasks, and you've been doing sprints for at least a couple of sprints, you kind of know what the team can knock off in a sprint.
Right.
And then, so along the horizontal time, you want to do your breakdown. Your units are by sprint. And then hopefully the number of outstanding tasks keeps diminishing till you know the end period.
Right.
So at the project you're on now, if you're doing Agile, do you guys stand up and say what you're going to do each week?
Yeah. I mean, we do a daily.
Daily
sorry,
scrum.
I can't see anything. So. We're doing a daily scrum, and then we estimate the effort and put the the thing in the project control and the TFS, and then the project manager, based on that, can see where we are, how long things are going to take, and things like that.
Yeah. No, exactly.
Right.
And then what the project manager is hopefully conveying to the project owner, someone on the client side, is to set a reasonable expectation for the amount of work based on what the team can complete in a week to see when you're going to be completed.
Right.
And you can have a reasonable expectation. I find that doing that after a couple weeks, the joy of it is that the client starts to realize that, okay, this is reasonably what I can expect to get.
Right.
And then they start reviewing those tasks and start saying, well, we're not going to get to that, are we? And when you stand up and say, I'm going to do this week, this week, and this week, somebody can actually argue and say, well, you've only ever done about 12, 13 points a week. Why are you guys trying to tackle 20 points worth of work in 1 week when you only do 13?
And it really helps when there's like a scope creep or requirements are piling up. I think that should really help with situations like that, because you can really see how that's affecting
you really quickly. You throw it into your task list.
Yeah.
In your list of user stories, you size it. You say where it's going to happen in which sprint, and are the sprint sizes reasonable?
Right.
And then we know where we're going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are there any drawbacks of that approach that you've seen? You guys, we'd love to hear your comments.
Yeah. I guess a drawback would be. I assume.
Go ahead. Sorry, Ron.
A drawback would be sometimes it's too brutally honest for the client.
Right.
And sometimes they don't like to see that they're only going to accomplish so many tasks.
Well, this is a reality, right?
Yeah, it is the reality. It is the reality.
So
it's a tough, but it hits them harder. And they can't say do more quicker because we know what you can do.
Yeah.
Now the only issue is, can you throw more people on to speed up what the burn rate is? Right. Or you say my resources are fixed and let's just take some stuff out of the task list.
Yeah, or move it, to a backlog, further down the backlog list.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you guys think? And no, that's awesome.
Okay.
Are you able to give us any other news, Yaroslav?
Yaroslav news. Did you see that? Google?
All right, I'm gonna.
No.
Google.
Did you see that Google? Not Google. Sorry. Did you see that Tesla? A guy drove the car all the way across the country, 56 hours, 64 hours, and 90% of the time it was automated.
Oh, automated meaning?
Never touched the steering wheel.
What? Oh, is that
The new Tesla
did it have
that's
like a special
self-driving.
Self-driving? Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome! I can't wait till that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So when is it coming to like regular small little towns like ours?
Elon Musk is saying 2025.
Yeah, that's like 10
20
episodes
20.
away. 10 of our episodes away. Driving cars.
And did you see?
Did you see my video earlier this week?
No, what was it?
You should see it.
Did you see the video of that guy in Japan who burnt his house down live on Twit?
We should do something like that right here in the new office.
Burn it down?
By the way, we're in a new office.
Yeah,
Finally.
Purely's new office. I mean, it's quite. We're in one tiny corner of it. It's massive.
It's pretty good, and I love the decor and everything, and kind of like a geeky and classy mixture.
Please, we haven't moved in yet. We haven't.
Yeah, they have. So this is
We haven't.
just
We
one-
have an interior designer. Have you? Are you watching the Mr. Robot?
Not yet.
Oh,
I'm staying away.
no!
Staying away from all the.
You can't. It's gotten. Oh my God! The story writing's gotten good. All I can say is that's the best show on TV right now, bar none.
I don't have to.
Mr. Robot. You don't need TV.
Is it on Netflix?
No.
Oh,
It's on Showcase.
showcase.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well,
Okay.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween. Can you post a video before Halloween? Is that okay? Is that a proper etiquette?
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll hope to have a more useful video next time.
Have a happy Halloween. See you.
See you guys.